Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy in MBBS. Begin by mastering fundamental anatomical terms and directional language. This forms your core vocabulary. Next, make sure to use high-quality atlases and textbooks for detailed visual learning. Finally, actively participate in every dissection lab session to gain practical, hands-on experience. This foundational approach will set you up for success. To truly master anatomy, focus on active learning. Drawing diagrams and labeling structures repeatedly is incredibly effective for retention. Consider forming study groups to discuss concepts and quiz each other, which reinforces understanding. Don't forget to use mnemonics and other memory aids for those complex lists and pathways. These techniques will significantly boost your recall. It's crucial to connect what you learn. Always relate anatomical structures to their clinical significance. This makes the information more relevant and easier to remember. Regularly review previous topics to reinforce your learning and prevent forgetting. Also, practice identifying structures on anatomical models and prosections as much as possible. This integrated approach deepens your understanding. For exams, solving past papers is key to understanding question patterns and common topics. Prioritize high-yield areas that are frequently tested to maximize your study efficiency. Remember, consistent effort pays off. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Check out the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.